Mixing her up today. From double to single to so ridiculous. Holy shit, we got a 3-pack going. What the hell is it? This must be military because they aren't on radar. If I can get them. 1, 2, 3. Looks like somebody just snuck through the... Oh no, never mind. That was British Airways. Yeah, we got a threesome going there. Hey y'all. Them 3 military just popped out. Check this out. Sorry I don't have my tripod. There they go right there. Them bastards are lucky they were flying through the chem shit. Traitors. Alright y'all, June 13th continues. We got British Airways, 283 I'm pretty sure. Just had KLM a while ago. Big douche. We got a couple people over us actually right now. Oh shit, that wasn't the one I wanted. Austrian, oh you might be showing up too. I was digging damn fence posts. They're interrupting me. 38,000 today, huh? Alright. So they've been working all this all morning. It's supposed to be completely sunny, but it's magically not. Nobody questions it. Looks like Austrian over there. And British Airways 283. And I think that's a United that's flying right over my skull right now. KLM did a dump of some belly mix. Totally obvious where they sprayed it. Oh, that's looking a little dirty today, British Airways. Looks like we're gonna have a few big boys through today. So we'll see if 283, who y'all know can do some super belly dumps. Got a bad rep, don't you, 283? Entering the chem patch. He's going to be hitting the local sun here soon, so we'll see if he does the same. Unleashes the Satan's solar sauce out of the old belly. Tripod's sloppy, sorry. It's hot even though, you know, the magical chemical cloud's been covering it. Gonna do it today, British Airways. That's right around where KLM did it, so apparently he's got a different concoction today. That is some whiny music. Holy shit. Must be going to the crackheads. Casa. Pretty good dump there, British Airways. And then you see the magical, if I can get her, the magical DNA in action here. It's magic. Yeah, that's definitely a different blend. Mixing her up today. From double to single to so ridiculous. Holy shit, we got a 3-pack going. What the hell is it? This must be military because they aren't on radar. If I can get them. 1, 2, 3. Looks like somebody just snuck through the... Oh no, never mind. That was British Airways. Yeah, we got a threesome going there. Austrian Airlines over here. We'll double check that radar, but I'm pretty sure I didn't see them 3 on there. They are spraying the living shit out of that thing. Yeah, that's not your normal see what Austrian left. Working it. We'll see if we can get them to pop out here. Bear with me. Here, you can look at this while we're at it. Been a long time, like, shit, what is this year, 2014 or 15, I think, was the last time I seen a 3-pack douching. Okay, there's one of them. If I can get him. Sneaky bastards. And then you can see his buddies back right there. And then there's another one in the thick of it. Who do we got there? Is that a damn drone or an orb or something? Just a plane. Hard to tell. Yeah, them other 2 are in there. Well, that was a hell of a dish. As you can see, working that shit. Sun's still hot with all them chemicals around it. Oh, you lucky bastards, I can get a clear shot of you. But if they are on radar, well then you know that's military. Too smoggy. Cocksuckers. Anyhow, Spray Fest continues. Maybe we better go see if anything's on there. Okay, there was your British Sprayways. There's your Austrian. Alright, you see, whirling there. Those 3 are right out in here. Not on radar, so those are either drones. I couldn't really see, maybe they're planes, but definitely military, for sure. Nobody on radar. Nobody flies 3 in formation like that. Not on radar, except for traders from the United States, Air Force, etc. So anyhow, yeah, another day in paradise.